Hello, my name is Councillor Steve Wilson. I am the Lord Mayor of Kingston-upon-Hull and Admiral of the Humber, and I've been asked to take part in the Older People's Partnership Week. There's a huge amount of events lined up. This is a great initiative. The events are so varied too. Some of the events are fun, and some of them, I think there's some serious messages and advice in there too. I hope you have a great time. I can't wait to see the posts on Facebook or on Twitter to see how it's all gone. So please enjoy and take part. Thank you.